Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the Windows 11 update KB5078127 not installing.
Fix 1. Restart Windows Update Services. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type Services. MSC. Press Enter. Step 2. Restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Step 3. Close the window and check for updates again. Fix 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Step 1. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Step 2. Click Run next to Windows Update. Step 3. Restart your PC after it finishes. Fix 3. Check free disk space. Step 1. Open this PC. Step 2. Make sure C drive has at least 20 gigabytes free. Step 3. Delete temporary files if needed. Fix 4. Install Update manually. Step 1. Open Microsoft Update Catalog. Step 2. Search for KB 5078127. Step 3. Download and install the version for Windows 11 24H2/25H2.